I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today, on a little extra Pixie dust, we're going to make a pumpkin martini. This pumpkin martini can be found in Disney Springs and Maria and Enzos, so let's get started. First, I'm going to start by saying I don't usually drink martinis, so I don't have a traditional martini glass. So since it's spooky season, we went with a spooky glass. I'm going to grab my shaker, which has got some ice in it. To that, I'm going to add vodka. I'm actually making this recipe about double what it normally is, so it fills that glass up nicely. And then afterwards, we're going to split it. I have some pumpkin spice Kahlua. Oh, a little spill. And then some heavy cream. And all in there. Gonna give it a good shake so it's nice and cold. And then we're gonna pour it in. And there you have it, a pumpkin spice martini. I'm Kris, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and until next time.